Ever wished you could recreate those juicy, perfectly cooked dishes you get at fancy restaurants? Guess what? You can, right in your own kitchen. The secret weapon? It's called Sous Vide, pronounced Sous Vide, and honestly, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Sous vide, which is French for under vacuum, might seem like something out of a science lab, but it's actually incredibly simple. Food is sealed in a bag, submerged in water, and cooked to an exact temperature. That's it. This technique ensures even cooking throughout, so no more dry chicken or overcooked steak. And the best part? Sous vide is incredibly forgiving, making it perfect for beginner cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities? Let's dive in. Worried about needing a bunch of fancy gadgets? Don't be. Getting started with sous vide is easier and more affordable than you might think. Here's what you'll need. First, an immersion circulator. This clever device clips onto a pot of water and keeps it at a precise temperature. Think of it as a super accurate automatic water bath. Next, a large pot. Any stock pot will do. Just make sure it's big enough to hold your food and enough water for the immersion circulator to work properly. And finally, resealable bags. Go for food-grade zip-top bags or reusable silicone bags designed for sous vide cooking. That's it, see? No need to remodel your kitchen. With these 3 things, you're well on your way to restaurant-quality meals. Here's where the magic happens. Sous vide cooking relies on the principle of precise temperature control. Unlike traditional methods where heat can fluctuate, sous vide maintains a constant water temperature, ensuring your food cooks evenly from edge to center. Think of it like this. Steak cooked to a perfect medium rare, 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54.4 degrees Celsius, will always be tender and juicy because every part of the meat reaches that exact temperature. No more guessing or relying on touch. Time plays a crucial role too. Longer cooking times break down tough cuts of meat, resulting in melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. And because the food is surrounded by water, it won't dry out, even after hours of cooking. This combination of precise temperature and controlled time is what makes sous vide a game-changer for home cooks. Ready to get cooking? Let's start with some simple yet impressive dishes that'll make you feel like a culinary rock star. For a sous vide steak, season your steak generously with salt and pepper. Place it in a bag, add a sprig of thyme or rosemary for extra flavor and seal it tightly. Cook in a water bath set to 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54.4 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 hours depending on thickness. Once cooked, sear the steak in a hot pan for a minute on each side to get a nice crust. Now for sous vide chicken breast. Say goodbye to dry, overcooked chicken. Season your chicken breasts and place them in separate bags. Cook in a water bath set to 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62.8 degrees Celsius for 1 to 1.5 hours. For a golden brown finish, sear them in a pan or give them a quick broil. And when it comes to sous vide vegetables, asparagus, broccoli, carrots, you name it, you can sous vide it. Simply toss your veggies with olive oil, salt and pepper, then seal them in a bag. Cook in a water bath set to 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the type and size of your vegetables. See how easy that was? And the best part is, you can find tons of sous vide recipes online for all sorts of dishes. Sous vide isn't just for meat and veggies. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of dishes, from perfectly poached eggs to delicate fish fillets and even creamy cheesecakes. Ever wondered how Michelin star restaurants achieve those mind-blowing flavors and textures? Sous vide plays a big role. Chefs use it to achieve consistent results, experiment with new techniques, and elevate even the simplest ingredients. So go ahead. Embrace the world of sous vide cooking. It's easier than you think, delivers amazing results, and allows you to cook like a pro right in your own kitchen. Get experimenting with different flavors, impress your friends and family, and most importantly, have fun.